Okay, regarding our school, I would say that it's the extreme hard work of the teachers as well as our children, and hard work of the parents as well, because whatever we give, some 70-60% is given by the school, some 30% and 40% should be done at home. So hostelers totally is our credit, and the day scholars, the credit goes to the parents as well. Anything else?
How many students have taken the 8 work?
Okay, out of 28, 28 students appeared for the board exam this time, and out of 28 we have 24 first div. First div we have 24, and we have 3 second div and 1 third div. So all passed, 100% result, and we hope to do better next time. This is our 7th year that we have completed our school. 7th year, our school has completed 7th year, and in this 7th year, this is the best result we have so far.
Thanks to the parents who are cooperating.
Yes, this thing, credit goes to the parents also, and that's why I would like to thank the parents also for trusting in us, for believing in us, for giving the children, for admitting their children in a school, and yes, cooperating with us in whatever we say, whatever we do. Thank you, parents. Thank you, teachers, and thank you to all my children who really worked hard. Thank you.